Good morning, kiddos. This is Mrs. Gershon here. We are going to be doing some continued work with our vowel sounds this week. You are going to be moving into a short A vowel sound and a long A vowel sound. And you will see up here at the very top, I'm going to circle. You have a symbol above that A. It's almost like a little smiley mouth of a smiley face. That's saying that those words are going to have short A sound in it, like ah, like in the word cat. And then you have your other A over here that has the line, straight line over it. That indicates a long vowel sound. So in those words, you're going to hear the sound cake. Now there's a little easy trick that you can follow in order to tell if your words this week are making the short vowel sound ah or the long vowel sound a. Your long vowel sound A's are going to have an E at the end to make that vowel say its own name. You will notice that you have a couple pictures here. So I'm going to write in some of those words, and you can go ahead and write those onto your sort as well. So I'm going to start in the first column here. Mad, fast, gate. I'll write that right here. Gate. Page, bat. Name, same. Second column, we have glass, hand, snap, came, grass, rake, made. And then we have make, what, last, whale, face, ask, and sack. Sack being something that you can use to carry items, like a bag, kind of like a bag, or you may have heard sack of potatoes. All the other words I think you pretty much know the meaning of. So if I'm looking through here, in my first column, I'll switch over to green here, I see my A, and I don't see an E at the end, and I hear the ah sound like in cat. So that's going to go under your short A sounds. Same in the word fast, I hear ah. Now when I get to the word gate, I hear A, and it also has an E on the end. So that's going to be a long vowel sound, a long A. I'm going to put the symbols next to it. Short vowel sound, A with kind of a little smiley face, and long vowel sound with the straight line over the top. So you're going to go through and you're really going to say the words, and are the words saying ah or A? Do they have an E on the end, making the vowel say its own name? We do have an oddball this week. You can see our oddball heading right here. Our oddball comes from the word what. Because I'm not hearing ah, and I don't hear A, I actually hear almost like the short U sound. So what is going to be your oddball this week? All right, if you have any questions, please see a teacher. They can help you. And happy sorting.